Hello, my name is Edson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can change the text that comes by default under the privacy statement and under the terms of use in a DotNetNuke website. So we have our test website, our demo website here, and if I click privacy statement, this is the standard blurb that comes with .NETNuke. And the same thing goes if I click on terms of use. So a good friend of mine, Don Winder, just a couple of days ago, he sent me an email asking how he could go about changing the content of those links of the privacy statement and the terms of use. So this is actually quite simple. The first thing that we have to do is we have to log into the website as host or admin. I think that you have really to log in as a super account host. So let's do that. And once we log in, we can go to admin and then languages. Now here under languages, we have a couple of options when we go about editing and changing the text in a language that is installed in the website. We can go under system, under host, and under site. Let's go under system, as this will change the default system files that comes with .NETNuke. So it will not create a copy. It will change the original file. So we can stick with system without a problem. So again, we are coming here in the language because the contents of privacy statement and terms of use, they are both stored inside the language packages that you can either install on top of .NETNuke or the English one that already comes pre-installed. So we can just come to admin languages, and then under languages we can go to the line that says English and under the system. So we can click in the edit system resource keys. So from here, we have basically to find the entries that are related to the privacy and to the terms. Let's go to the privacy first. So I can just try to find privacy, and it will bring me to a line that says resource name, message, portal, privacy. So this is where I can change the content of the privacy statement of my website. Now there are two ways to go about doing that. You can actually type in here the changes. Changes can go here, or if you are not, if you do require some HTML formatting, and if you don't know exactly how to format, how to work with HTML directly, you can just click in this edit pencil beside the text that you want to modify, and it will bring in a text editor. So let's click there. It's much simpler. So you just scroll all the way down, and here you have a basic text HTML module, and you can make the changes that you want right here. So those are my changes. So I'm just change the content, and I'm just gonna put this in bold. So in a second tab here, I'm just gonna load the site again, so you can see the changes applied, and this is under the privacy statement. Again, this is the standard one. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this. Those are my changes. As you can see, there is only my website, which is the portal name, is committed. Now I'm gonna change this to those are my changes, and then the name of the website. So I want to see this applied when I refresh the privacy statement page. So let's just update this. Now after clicking update, let's go to the tab that has the privacy statement page. I'm gonna refresh this. And at the top you can see those are my changes. So the changes that I have made there, they are now applied to the privacy statement page. Now, the same thing we can do for the terms and conditions, the terms of use, actually it's called, yeah, terms of use, we can come to the same place, admin languages, just to refresh, and we can go to system, and from here we can just find terms, and then it brings us to resource name, a message portals terms, and I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the second tab here. I'm gonna click on terms of use. This is a standard terms of use of the website, the standard blurb, and I can make some changes to it. And click on the pencil. I can edit this, scroll all the way down, and make some changes. Just to make it different, I'm gonna put this in red. Actually, well, let's leave it like that. Let's make the font a bit lighter. Let's see if this will work. Let's click update. So now it's saved. Let's go to the second tab. Let's refresh this and see if the changes are applied. So yes, so the small change that I have made, it is applied to the terms of use page. Now, something very important. If by any chance you are trying to do that, you are making those changes, and either you are getting an error message that says that it cannot write to the file, or if you're making the changes and the changes are not getting applied, most likely it's because you are having permission problems with the site files. So I have posted a link below in the video that will point you to a page that shows what kind of permission you have to set up if you are running different versions of IIS. And again, this link I'll be posting in the video post. And if you are running that locally, you have to change that by yourself. Or if you are running that in a remote server with a hosting company, you may want to contact them to say that the permissions of your website are not set up properly. Again, just in case if you are getting an error message when you try to save, or if you are saving but no changes are getting applied at all. Now, just a second note. If changes are not getting applied at all, you may want to try to restart the website. You may want to try to come to host settings. Sometimes this type of file, they may get cached. So you may want to restart the application. Again, just something that you can try before you contact your hosting company or before you try to change the permissions of your site files. Again, just in case the changes that you are making are not getting applied. But again, basically this is how you go about making changes to the default blurb, the default text that comes with DotNetNuke in terms of the privacy statement and the terms of use. Thank you very much, and that's it for now. Bye.